Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Ivan again from Chayatsuji Kimono. I've been doing videos for like 4 years now. 2015. I don't think I've ever shown you how I personally tie my obi. Like the actual process, I'm doing it in videos all the time. But that's for tutorial sake, and it may be a little bit different from what I do for like the Kitsuke seasonal challenge and my regular Kitsuke. And well, day-to-day life whenever I feel like wearing kimono, like I'm doing now. So I thought, why not show you how I tie my obi from beginning to the end, what accessories do I use, how I use them, how I tie my obi, and yeah. I thought it could be interesting. This is particularly the Nagoya Obi. If you want, I could do also a Hanaba Obi and a Fukuro Obi one. If you want, just let me know that one in the comments, and perhaps I can make one in the future. Now for the actual tying part, I won't be talking, just showing you with a little bit of music. But that way you can actually get, insider tips, tricks, just how I personally tie my obi. Now for this kimono, it's a little bit different. This one actually doesn't allow me to make an oar shorty, so don't be alarmed if you don't see one. It barely covers my ankle, so I'm glad that it actually fits. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into the tutorial. you.